This event is organized to sensitize 60 students selected by Jigawa state government to study medicine in China on how to conduct themselves while in the foreign land. Governor Badara Abubakar of Jigawa State said the students were selected based on merit, as the state attached more priority to education.
We have concluded the 287 minimum of 287 ward level PSCs. There is no ward in Jigawa State today that will not have at least one primary health center. We have moved the general hospital from the 12 to 19 now. It will conclude and commission early next year the 3 general hospitals that are under construction. So which means out of the 27 local governments, we will have 19 local governments from the general hospital, and in this year's budget, we will put so many local governments. By the time I conclude this assignment, inshallah.
While presenting paper titled Young Nigerians Studying Abroad, Challenges and Solutions, Deputy Vice Chancellor Academics, Federal University Dutse, Professor Abdulkarim Sabo, charged the students to avoid any act capable of distracting them from their main objective of being in China. President Youth Coalition for Development, the organizers of the sensitization, Comrade Aminu, stated that their main objective is to see Jigawa Indigines excel in all fields of life.
Education here in Jigawa is very, at least I can call it free. You'll be paid scholarship before even going to the school, and you'll be encouraged, because we have seen all this kind of trainings and symposium when we were in secondary school. So we emulated from our past leaders, and we now see it as a challenge to us that we have to pay back, we have to at least contribute also our quota in order to appreciate what the community and the state government has done to us.
Highlight of the event is presentation of awards of honor to 6 Jigawa State Indigents that became consultants in different fields of medicine. Abba Hamissani, Time-Based TV.